Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to tell everything about Postman Student Leader Program. So as you can see on the website, it says that become a leader, educator and advocate for API literacy on your campus. The very first criteria to become a Postman Student Leader is that you should already be a Postman Student expert. If you haven't watched my previous video regarding the same, do check it out now. So I'm assuming that you are already a Postman student expert by now and you're looking forward to become a Postman student leader. As a Postman student leader, you receive the access to Postman resources to organize events on your campus. You'll be receiving a Postman student leader badge to showcase it online and for future employers. You'll also be getting opportunities to speak and participate in Postman events like the Postman Galaxy conference. And you'll also be getting the invitation to the online Postman Student Leader program community. Now let's move ahead on how to apply for the Postman Leader Student Leader program. So you just need to click on this link, apply to be a student leader, and the Google Doc will open up. You need to fill out the basic details such as email, college, URL to your university website, graduation year, and Postman Student Expert Badge link. So here they'll verify two things. The email should be the same from which you had applied for the Postman Student Expert program, and in this field you have to share the link to your badge. You can get the link of your badge from the badger site, and you can click on share here and click on copy this link. Once you copy, you can easily paste it over here. Also, one more thing to note is while sharing this link, remember to include this tick mark because then only it will contain your email ID as well. So once you fill out all these basic details like name, last name, country, and coming to the next page of the doc, you'll find a few questions. These questions will determine whether you are selected for the Postman Student Leader program or not. So make sure you fill all these questions properly in a very detailed manner. So let us now move ahead with the questions. Please list any student communities you are a part of. This shows that you are actually a community person and are involved in other communities as well. So why do you want to join the Postman Student Leader program? Everyone has their different reasons, but make sure to explain that you are really interested in the Postman Student Leader program and you'll get to learn many new things as well as teach these things to other students as well. So it's all about how you will benefit from it and how others will benefit from you. So you should mention these things in detail. And what do you hope to accomplish within this program? Here you should mention that what exactly are you trying to achieve. Maybe you can mention that you'll set up a community in your college campus and you'll teach your juniors of around let's say 200 strength the about Postman API and everything. So these are few things which shows that yes, you can actually create an impact once you become a Postman student leader and will strengthen your application further. Although there are no fixed criteria like what exactly they'll be looking for, therefore don't search for any particular roadmap that yes, you will surely get selected for the same. But I'll suggest you that be very honest while filling out the application form and show your interest that yes, I am really interested for the program and will make sure that people will benefit from me as well. So these are the things you should keep in mind while filling this application form. Once you fill out this form, the Postman team will review your response and will get back to you if they like your application. So this is how you should apply for the Postman Student Leader program. Now coming to what will you get from this program? How will it help you? So first of all, you'll be getting this badge, the Postman Student Leader badge, which is offered by Postman. And as you can see, Postman student leaders teach others the essential skills in using Postman to build and test APIs. So you need to teach others, but how you will teach others? So for that, you have to lead a workshop, training session, or an event to teach Postman skills. And you should use the Postman resources and recommended practices to help people learn about APIs in your community or college or at an official Postman event. Don't worry, the Postman team will always be there to help you plan and deliver the workshop. So they will support you with everything. It's just that you need to share your learnings with other people and teach them those skills. Now you will say that, okay, like how will it benefit me, that like teaching others? uh, so for that, remember that public speaking is a very important thing which you should learn. So you'll grow confident with that in public speaking. You'll have networking opportunities with different people, and at the same time you will be building a community, and as a leader people would be looking up to you and seeking help from you. So it gives immense pleasure to help people who are actually in need. So like people really want to learn new things, and when I teach someone new things, I feel really happy. So that is the kind of things which you will get as a Postman student leader, and the experience would be really awesome, trust me. At this point, although you can feel free to organize virtual events, and that would be really easy, being the seeing the current situation nowadays. So you need not worry about hosting a physical workshop. You can arrange any virtual events. So this is how you can become a Postman student leader. And okay, let me now show you my badge. So yeah, this is my badge which I received on 3rd Feb 2021. So how I received this was, I didn't fill out this application form. For me, it was a little different. Actually, I was invited. I was lucky enough to be invited for the Postman Galaxy API conference as a speaker to lead the student workshop part 1. So I had organized that workshop during the Postman Galaxy conference, and with the help of that event was considered for me as a Postman student leader, and this is how I received my badge. So as I said that you need to conduct a workshop or a training session or an event or anything at an official Postman event as well. So Postman Galaxy being the official Postman conference, it was considered for me. That was my journey to become a Postman student leader. I hope you guys will also become a Postman student leader, and together we will build a strong community. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll share the links in the description. If you enjoyed it, do like and comment on this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.